If you want to go ahead and protect out your PDF document, what you can do is you can add in watermarks. So using ILovePDF.com, you can go ahead and add in the watermark easily. So over here, you can see that watermark option is here. And if you were to go around over here on the top, you can see that in the all PDF tools under the edit PDF, you can see add watermark as well. So you can go from the home page from the big thumbnail, or you can go from all PDF tool right here as well. And as that is done, you can click on select PDF file and then select out the file that you want to go ahead and add the watermark to. So let's just go around over here and add to Recloud Presence right here, just like this. Let's say in this document, I want to add in the watermark. So here what you can do is you can add in text watermark right here. Like I'm going to say tube. Let me keep it on the center. Let's add in a mosaic so that there's a lot of text right here with the watermark right here. Transparency 75%. Let's say, for example, maybe rotate it 45 degrees right here and apply it in all pages right here. Increase the font size right here just like this to, let's say, for example, 36 right here. And I'm going to change the text color as well, bold it out as well, just like this. So you can go ahead and choose it. And once you're happy with the setting, simply click on add watermark right here. Once you do that, you can download the PDF with the watermark right here just like this and click on OK. And this is what you have. You can see with the watermark right here, you got a tube right here. Just like this, which makes the document confidential. So apart from that, what you can actually also do is add in picture watermarks. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto all PDF tools. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on add watermark and select out, let's say, for example, watermark right here, just like this. And now I'm going to select, let's say, for example, image right here and add in an image watermark. So you can see that I'm just going to go ahead and select this random pattern right here, just like this. So this is what you have right here. You can go ahead and change around the rotation as you want as well. And over the PDF content or below the PDF content, you can go ahead and choose where you want the watermark. So let's just keep it on the center right here, add in a bit of a mosaic right here, change around the transparency as well. And let's rotate it around as well and add up the watermark. And as you do that, what image you selected, what happens is that it will be added in as a watermark. So if I were to go ahead and open out, you can see that behind there is the watermark right here, just like this. So you can see like behind there is these graphics right here, which has been added out as the watermark right here, and everything is behind the text itself, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in PDF watermarks, be it text watermark or image watermark as necessary using ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.